Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to remove Messenger on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on my settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, or make sure you look for users and accounts on your phone. So click on user and accounts. It's going to take you right here. Then under the account for owners, simply scroll down and make sure you look for Messenger. So click on Messenger and it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do here is to simply click on remove account. And once you click on remove account, you'll be completely logged out from Messenger and the app will be deleted completely from your phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to remove Messenger on your phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.